How to download Cash app on desktop or PC. So if you want to download Cash app on your desktop or PC, then let me tell you one thing, that to install the application you need to have BlueStacks, or you need to have any emulator on your PC or laptop. Without the emulator you can't install the application, so make sure to install the emulator. For example, I'll be having BlueStacks emulator, and once you've installed you need to open that. And once you open your BlueStacks, now here on the upper left you will have the search bar. Simply go for the search bar and search for Cash app. And once you search for Cash app, here you will have your Cash app, right? Click on that, and under that you will have install on app player. So if you want to download and install this application, then simply click on install. And once you click on install, it will start the install process. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to install or download the application. And once it's installed, you can simply go for your Windows, and here you can search for Cash app, and once you search for that you will have the application. So that's it. That's how you install Cash app on your PC or laptop from an emulator. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.